Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raja Noval Arisalim with name 18030174043, and my study lecturer is Roselina Ekawati SSI MSc PhD and Diniki Nantivarda SPD SI MPD. I will presentation about my research framework about mathematic learning media in number patterns material. The background is there are many misconceptions in number pattern material, and understanding number pattern material it's more difficult to do because learning do it online because now is pandemic COVID-19, and the formulation of the problem is how do you solve the misconception problems experienced by students in the number pattern material, and what is the appro- appropriate learning media for teaching number pattern material. And the research purpose is to find out how to solve the misconception problem experienced by students in the number pattern material, and to find out the appropriate learning media for teaching number pattern media. And in bab 2, theoretical review, development research. In here, to create some media, I use the development research. Development research, I am to produce a product prototype, including providing empirical evidence of its effectiveness and developing a methodology for the design and evaluation of this product. And in here I use the Van der Acker. The Van der Acker classified the development research paradigm into an approach with was later developed into a system of education development. The steps taken in development research according to Van der Acker 90 and 99 are as follow. First is initial investigation, second is theoretical support, third is empirical testing, and the last is documentation, analysis, and reflection. Next is learning media. The definition of learning media is the media used to help stimulate the thought, feelings, abilities, and attention of student in the teaching and learning process in the classroom. The media can be in the form teaching tools or material. In another sense, learning media are material, tools, or all resources used in the process of delivering teacher information to student, either physical or software. And C is a number pattern. Number pattern is an arrangement of several numbers that can form a specific patterns. Here are some example of number pattern, namely like odd number patterns, even number patterns, square number pattern, Fibonacci number pattern, Pascal number pattern, and more more pattern. It's many pattern. Next is bab 3 research method. First is types of research. In here, the research I use the development research and I use the Van de Acker paradigma Van de Acker. Nah, and the steps of Van de Acker paradigma is a investigation, next is theoretical support, next is empirical testing, and the last is documentation, analysis, and reflections on the process and result. B is research subject. The research was aimed at grade 8 junior high school students who had been or were learning mathematics on number pattern material. Next is development flow. First, research conduct a literature study and consultation to my study literature, my study lecture. And next, its research made a learning media framework. The next is empirical test, and the next is researchers does documentation, analysis, and reflection on the process and the result. The flow same with a step of the Van de Acker paradigma. The next is research instrument. I use the pretest question and post-test question. Pretest question are given to student when students have not been given learning media on number pattern material. The post-test question were given to student after they were given learning media for number pattern material. And the next is, and the last, analytical technique. The analytical technique with post-test value minus value pretest or pretest value. So, where if the calculation result in a positive value, it can be conclude that there is an increase in understanding of concept of the student. If the calculation result is in the same value, it can be conclude that there is no increase in understanding the concept of the student. If the calculation result in a negative value, it can be conclude that there is a decrease in understanding the concept of the student. Okay, thank you for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.